Roadrunner. I see you. Where you going, homie? Just having a field day. You're cutting across. That's so not fair. You heard me. I knew I'd catch up with you. Ooh, you're running right towards me. I'm just part of the tree. You may have cut through, but I still caught up. Why are you hiding your head? Come on. Show yourself. I see you peeking. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come on. Come closer. Ooh, thank you. What's up, homie? So you're just gonna stand there? You're gonna run? Yahuwah, Abba bless you. Beautiful creature. Okay, I'm gonna take some steps closer. There you go. Bye! It's been an eventful walk today. Where are you going, cutie? Where's your brother? I seldom go that way. Sorry, I missed the cute little stretch you just did. Bye! We have another one. Look at that cute little cottontail. Where are you going?